Need to fix unusual network or device environment on WeChat? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you are trying to log in into your specific account on WeChat, but you land on the interface where it says unusual network or device environment. Try using a stable network environment. Well, sometimes this might occur because your server is down. In order for you to check it out, let's move into Safari for now. Inside Safari, in the address bar, you need to search for WeChat outage. Now head over to the very first site. In this page, you will be able to check whether the server of WeChat is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down, and in that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Or else check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Sometimes weak internet might also be the problem, so make sure you are connected to strong internet. Now move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll down and move into general. Once again, scroll down and click on VPN and device management. Make sure that the VPN is turned off. Once you've turned off your VPN, now go back and you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Enter the passcode of your device and then tap on reset network settings once again. Once the network is reset, the issue that you have been facing might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.